In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WhatsApp automation with Manychat. This is a fantastic way to streamline your communication and enhance your customer interaction with minimal effort. So let's dive straight into it and see how you can achieve this in just a few minutes. First, you need to open your Manychat account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up and keep your login credentials handy. It's this account that will be your control center for all the automations you set up. Once you're logged in, head straight into your account settings. Here, you're looking for a section labeled WhatsApp. This is where the magic happens. By connecting your WhatsApp account to Manychat, you'll be enabling the two platforms to communicate seamlessly. The next step in this process is to hit the Connect button. Manychat provides you with a couple of options here. You can either connect a new number or use an existing one if you prefer. It's an important decision, so take a moment to consider which approach works best for your needs. Once you've decided, simply click Continue. This will guide you through to the next step, which is a breeze. Now you should see an option to get started. Click on it, and this will take you into a setup wizard. The setup wizard is designed to make this process as smooth as possible. Fill in all the information it asks for. It might feel like a lot of details, but these are necessary to ensure everything is set up correctly and securely. Pay attention to the instructions, as one of the key steps will be verifying your number. You'll receive a code via SMS, so make sure your phone is close by. Enter this code when prompted to successfully verify your number. This verification step is crucial because it ensures that only you have access to automate messages from your account. With that confirmed, you're ready to create your first automation. Head over to the Automations tab located in your Manychat dashboard. From here, you'll be able to manage all your automation projects. To kick things off, click on New Automation. At this point, choose a trigger that fits the type of automation you want. Whether it's a welcome message, a notification, or a follow-up, this will be the initiation of your automated sequence. And there you have it. In under 5 minutes, you have taken the necessary steps to integrate WhatsApp into Manychat, verified your number, and set up your initial automation. Remember, automating your messages not only saves you time, but improves the efficiency and consistency of your communication. Dive deeper into Manychat to explore more of its features and optimize your workflows even further. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.